agree to them that money changed your wife?
Made for the streets. So I am like down to earth.
I'm not arte. Sinasabi kasi nila, yung ibang vlogger simple sila, tas kayo hindi kayo simple.
Like at the end of the month, diba? Now the salary comes. I wanna be a billionaire.
So, yan talaga, pagkagaling sa hirap, tas biglang yaman, yumab.
Bulog ang mundo.
Bilog ang mundo.
She is educated, pero hindi ka lang sobrang matalino. You check the land, which is in probably Zambales. Sabi mo sa kapatid mo, punta ka doon. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Zambales? Why she bought me Fred Perry and why she thinks that it's good. Kasi nang bumili ako Fred Perry too. Na Elena, uy, mahal yun.
Okay guys, it's been a long time since we do a sit-down vlog. Parang mga 4 years.
5 years na eh.
Parang 5 years ago. Kasi ganito yung mga setup namin dati sa YouTube. Ganito kasi uso sa YouTube dati. Yung sit-down vlog, ganyan. Hindi pa uso yung ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yung mga pa-aesthetic. So, ito yung dati. So, kamustahin naman natin si Aditya not after marriage. Kasi we did that parang after 1 year anniversary namin. So this time, how's the life of having kids na lang?
Maganda pa rin. Maganda May different...
You can speak in English.
Hindi
you don't have to force yourself to speak in Tagalog so that you can express yourself more clearly. Kasi some of the Filipino, they took your Tagalog seriously. Like, you know, alam mo na, parang kawawang-kawawa ka sa relasyon natin. Parang inaapi kita.
Hindi naman, okay guys, so, goods na relation kami. So, may a lot of learning. Marriage is not for one day, it's for lifetime, diba? So, na-learn kami. There are ups and downs. There are happy moment, there are sad moment, and there definitely moment talaga. Hindi na ako parang gusto. Ang gusto, like, again, hindi na gusto.
You speak in English kasi if you cannot express.
So, wait lang.
Kasi,
try ako.
Kasi nga na, may misunderstood ka nila. Tapos ang ending, binubugbog na naman kita sa salita.
I see.
So you express yourself.
Okay. So, there are sometimes, guys, like, I really in the situation where, I really don't know what's happening, don't like what's happening. But again, I give some thinking. And then, sobrang love again. So, meron pa kami times na, di ba, like, we will fight. It's like, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen later. Tapos, after a few minutes, we end up doing something that...
Okay na. And most of our fight is more on, culture shocks.
Yeah.
Hindi personal.
Most of the fights, cultural shocks, misunderstandings,
ganun lang. Kasi, syempre may language barrier pa rin kami. Although, we can both understand English, but sometimes may comprehension in English is not good kasi sometimes we will use some idioms. Di ba? Idioms, di ba? Idioms kahagabi.
Wait lang. Pwede ba sabihin?
No.
Ha?
Wag na.
Pwede ba? Ha? Pwede? So, sabihin ako sa isang, idiom sa Elena. Alam mo ba, love? Itong, if I say, like, this girl is made for the streets.
Ano sabi ko
sabi na sa akin, like, parang ako. Like, ha? Bakit mo sabihin ganun? Na meaning yun, na pukpuk. Balik, no. It means, I am made for the streets. So, I am like down to earth.
I'm not artist. Sabi ko pa.
Sabihin ko so it's made for the streets, where like sabihin ng, she is standing in the street. One by...
Ganun, guys. Tama naman, diba? Comment down below. Hindi kasi guys, ganun nga. So, most of our fights are mostly mga ganun misunderstanding, language barrier, ganyan. Iba yung meaning sa kanya, iba yung meaning sa akin. Pero, at the end of the day, we figure out, lang pala yun, misunderstanding lang. So, ito naman, so, after so many things, struggles, ups and downs of our marriage, some people are saying na, ano tawag dito lang? Ano yung sinasabi nila? Money change us. Ay, ako lang. Specifically me. Money change me. Do you agree to them that money changed your wife?
Yes. Money changed her. And money changed her for good.
You mean, what do you mean? I-elaborate mo. Ayan. May mga times na kailangan, kasi si Adi, pag nagsalita siya, sobrang elaborative. Alam mo yun, kahit simpleng bagay i-elaborate niya. So, ayoko nun, ako naman yung tao na straight to the point. Kasi si Adi, before he speak, he thinks so many things. Yung parang, alam niyo yung matatalinong tao, mabagal sila magsalita kasi they think muna what they will say. Ako naman, guys, hindi naman ako ganun katalino. So, impromptu. Yun, kung ano yung gusto ko sabihin yun sinasabi ko. So, talagang magkaiba kami. So, ayun nga. Do you agree to them?
Oo naman, tama yan. Money changed her for good. Now, you watched the video 4-5 years before, the one that got shared. You see the way she speaks, the way she holds herself, the way she looks. Looks is like secondary. It's not the primary. It depends you're happy, you're not happy. And by the way, guys, sabi ng lahat ng tao, retokada. Actually, hindi yan retokada lahat. It's just the nose. And the nose was
and di, pa-share mo naman yung story that I went to the clinic not intentionally for my nose. Di ba? You are the one who said, be, di ba? You remember we are sitting in the clinic. Tapos sinasabi niya, re-remove yung fat, ganyan. Sabi niya, be, what if gawa mo din yung ilong mo? Di ba? Sabi mo sa akin. Di ba? Sabi mo.
So, guys, that's
parang ikaw talaga nagsabi na ipagawa yung ilong, di ba?
Oh, kasi we were able to afford it that time, and things we were able to, things that we always thought that we can do. For example lang, baka di mo alam, there was a time, sabihin ko sa Helena, that time we had a bike, like, alam mo, all the people that has car, OA sila. Di na kailangan car. Now, I never use my bike.
Actually, guys,
Wait lang. Gusto ko go sa palengke, bili ng kamati. Nakotse ako.
Kasi nga, guys, sa reality, guys, sino mas mayabang sa ating dalawa, be?
Hindi ako mayabang. I just want to feel like
Sino mas maarte?
Ikaw.
Hindi yung maarte ako sa way na magsalita ako kasi babae ako, pero yung arte yung sa alam mo yun.
Oh, obviously that's I am also arte kasi I have been from guys, understand mo ko ha. I came from nothing to something. We haven't achieved a lot. Pero I feel like we came from nothing to something. And I want to be arte. I want to, I want to maintain that thing like I was not able to do it before, and by the way, come ako later. Meron ako sabihin ng ex ko, pwede ba?
Sige na nga.
Sasabihin na sa akin,
Teka lang. Iti-take na naman yung pwede ba mo as you are scared of me to say something. Pwede ba? Kasi expression niya yun, guys. Pwede ba? Baka iti-take na naman nila yun as negative. Guys, wag niyong i-take yung words niya.
I am just asking my wife to prove me.
Ganyan siya kasi, guys. Yung mga terms, ginagamit niya in, parang, basta, alam niya, hindi naman siya fluent.
So, ito ang story yan, guys. Pwede nang story. Alright. Ito na, parang natulog ka eh. So, isang beses ko, like, can I go explain? Okay. So, there was when we were together. I mean together like long distance talaga lahat all the times. So once an year we will be able to see each other. See lang. See doesn't mean like See means like nakita from distance like 500 600 meters ganon lang distance, or maybe close up like 700 like ganon ka distance. Tapos ako, kala ko, may isang t-shirt ako kasi ng family ko, di ba? Isang t-shirt ako, I will always save that t-shirt, and I thought that I look sobrang pogi in that t-shirt. Tapos dati, di ba, ng pangit ng face ko, ganun ako sa face, sobrang payat, ganun. So, I saw her, and I was wearing my, the best t-shirt. Sabi na after few days, Adi, alam mo, ikaw, change ka. Hindi kang pogi ng tingin sa damit mo. Kasi, ang gara ng damit mo parang villager ka lang. Ha?
Alam nyo guys, ang totoong hambugera yung neto, yung ex-net.
Ha? Wala akong pera. Lahat ng pera recharge sa'yo ng internet.
Grabe talaga ex neto, guys.
Sobrang grabe ng, ng feeling ko. Like, shit. Tapos, that day, di mo alam, Myntra was sobrang uso that time. So, add na add ako, and the price become 5,000.
Wala kang pera.
And I don't even have 500 sa wallet ko. Paano? Like, sobrang grabe ng like, this kind of shirt, this kind of jeans, this kind of pants, etc., etc. Now, I feel like I want to do it. Oh, ng new t-shirt ako today. Almost new pants.
Alam niyo ba, guys, pag nagkukwentuhan kami ni Mami, kasi siya, di lagi kami tumatawa, kasi gusto niya lagi malinis yung damit niya, ayaw niya lukot. Di yan nagsusot ng lukot na damit, guys, tas ng madumi na damit, ayaw niya yan. So, minsan nagkukwentuhan kami ni Mami, kinukwento niya sa akin na, ay, naku, nung bata yan, talagang pinapaplansya niya pa yung mga damit niya. Di ba? Sabi ni Mami. Tas, may picture nga siya, guys, siya nakaganon siya, nakapamewang siya, kasi bata pa lang siya talaga. Dream niya na magpupuporma, kaya lang mahirap nga lang sila. So, ngayon na may pera siya, guys, talagang pupuporma talaga siya. Tas yung mapapansin nyo, sabi, show off daw kami, ganyan. Tas, yung hindi tayo simple. Sinasabi kasi nila, yung ibang vlogger simple sila, tas kayo hindi kayo simple, pinapakita nyo lahat. Kasi nga, guys, ayaw niya maging simple kasi gusto niya i-experience yung mga bagay na hindi niya na-experience before. Although, sa life, pag normal ganito, simple lang talaga kami. We eat by hands, we eat on the floor. Pero, pagka nasa labas kami, gusto niya talaga i-experience yung mga bagay na hindi niya na-experience, di ba, love?
Di na ako agree sa tao nang sabi na hindi nang simple, ang tao pa like sobrang simple. Di na ako agree. Like lahat ng vloggers ko, sometimes na, narinig kami, pero I don't agree to that and I don't feel bad for you. So, bakit? Kasi, if wala kang pera, once we don't have pera, we will think, diba, we will go to a mall and parang ganun, diba? Like, we don't have to look at the price tag. We have a limit to that.
We don't look at the price tag sa H&M, ganyan yung kapag pumasok kami sa
H&M, Zara, or like,
Zara, I look, love.
Zara,
masyadong mahal.
Okay. So,
H&M, Uniqlo, Muji, yan hanggang dyan. Hindi kami titingin dyan.
Unless and until you're gonna give me a headache and parang shock, nahimatay kami doon.
Not unless pumasok kami sa Gucci, sa LV.
Sa Gucci, gano'n ako eh. Shake to the point, like, you did not so, Charles and Kit, okay lang. Parang gano'n.
Hindi ka kinakabahan.
For tao, hindi nang sa same life, hindi yan sa buhay, may offend like, okay, mayabang sila, ganon nang sinayang sila pera. Okay lang. It's our buhay, once in a life, we're living for once. So we want to do that. And when we go to Gucci, we don't do the same thing. When we go to Prada, or when we go to a bigger brand, we don't do the same
thing. Kami, guys. Ginig. Kasi alam namin kung hanggang saan lang kami, guys. Ganon kami.
So, you have to know your limits.
There was a time we are shaking sa CLN.
That time, new ako sa Pinas, and sahod ako that time 65,000 pesos. So, most of the thing after, like, at the end of the month, diba, now the salary comes, I wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Tapos, sa end of the month, hirap naman.
Itlog, guys. Tortang talong malala.
The first day, the salary will come. Everyone, like, sunglasses. We will take tricycle. Obviously, wala kami that time. Or we will use the bike. Actually, wala kami bike. That time, scooter lang. Jeep lang.
Tsaka scooter. Oo, yun.
Jeep lang. Ito na story yan sa jeep. Next time talaga. So, ganun. Tapos, that time pa, na-forget ako.
Yung sa CLN.
Sa CLN. Okay. So, sa CLN, napunta kami. And, I was telling to Elena, love, baka mahal, love. Baka mahal pa. Love, baka mahal pa. Tapos, nakita ako presyo. 200, 600. Tapos, pwede naman. Bili ka ng dalawa.
The next week, pumunta tayo sa CLN. Yabang natin na, ito.
Gara. Ay, hindi naman ng yabang. It's like,
Parang bata kasi
kulit
kami.
na sa inside. Like, okay, I want to do that. Who cares? Ganun
Oo,
na.
parang urat na urat tayo nun kasi hindi tayo nakakahawakan ng pera nung bata tayo. Kasi mga nagsasabi, ganyan talaga pagka galing sa hirap tapos biglang yaman, yumabang. Hindi yumabang, guys. Umurat. Kasi gusto lahat. Ano yun? Gusto lahat. Pero actually, guys, we learned from that time, di ba? Yung after COVID, we learned na we shouldn't be one day billionaire. That time, nag-save talaga kami, guys. Tapos sabi namin, promise namin, hindi kami gagastos nang wala kaming pangbuhay. Alam na walang trabaho si Adi. Kailangan 6 months or 1 year, meron na kaming pangkain. Ganun, guys. Ganun yung naging mindset namin. Up until now. Ganun. Yung hindi kami gagastos tag doon ng sobra. Yung parang, alimbawa, bumili ako ng yung Gucci bag, binili niya, guys. Kung ginastos niya yung pera pang Gucci bag, kailangan 6 months to 1 year yung savings namin kung mawalan siya bigla ng trabaho. Ganun na yung mindset namin kasi nung COVID, guys, as in, natuyo yung savings namin, di ba? Hindi naman tuyong-tuyo. Pero that time, na-scam din kasi kami, di ba, love? Na-scam, di ba? Makikita niyo pa ako. So, wag mo nang i-open.
Hindi ka na-open, alam ko. Pero, okay lang. So, hindi ka na-open. Ano ba? Ay, alam ko. So, by the way, when I say ano ba, is like, literal ano ba? Hindi kailangan translation.
Ito pa. Kasi, di ba, nandun na tayo sa topic na from yung nagiging behavior natin ngayon na mukha kami magastos, guys. Pero, ano na ngayon, tolerable na. Yung parang, kasi gusto niya ma-experience eh. Gusto ko rin ma-experience, ganun. Yung tsaka, ang tawag dito, may mga nagko-comment na, yung life is round.
Bilog ang
mundo. Yan yung medyo na ako dun yung bilog ng mundo, sabi from tag dito, from rich to poor, ganon. Tapos baka bumagsak din kayo, there will be a time na babagsak kayo. Anong masasabi mo dun, be? Sa mga tao na nagdadasal na bumagsak, yung parang they are praying that we will be, in the same situation as before.
If life was like that, let's pray that lahat ng Tatay stocks go down today. All of us pray together. Di man ganun eh. So, if madaming sa time to write lang habang comment, good for you. Pera sa Elena. Kasi wala akong nakita doon na guys. Nakala mo, like, okay, ganun. Nang asawa ko yan. Tapos, sinasave siya. Tapos, hindi naman, like, see, when she gets money from social media, we keep it, at the end of the day, our money is our money. My money is her money. Her money is hers money. Kidding lang. So, that money is actually gonna be used
actually, usapang pera, guys. Nung tag dito ngayon, kahit si Adi, gusto niyang, halimbawa, syempre nagbibigay ako sa pamilya ko doon sa Pilipinas, di ba guys? Mayroon kaming kasambahay doon na nag-aasikaso sa pamilya ko. Paglilinis ng bahay, ganyan. Kasi mga kapatid ko nag-aaral, yung kapatid ko may diabetes, di ba? So, nagtatrabaho din siya. So, may mga times na magbibigay ako ng budget doon. Sasabihin ni Adi, kumuha ka na sa bank account niya. Kasi, meron kaming separate bank account. May bank account siya, may joint account kami. Meron kaming, tag dito, for house.
Yeah.
Meron kaming for, tag dito, love, yung sa mga employee mo, ganon. Tapos meron akong sariling kita. So, minsan sabihin niya, kuha ka na dun sa natin, sa pera natin, pang bigay mo, or pag, di ba minsan, nagpapaano ako, sabi ko, Papa, mag-SM kayo, ganyan. Sasabihin ko sa hindi, kumikita na ako, ganon. Yun sabi niya, hindi, okay lang. Sasabihin ko sa kanya, sa akin yun, fulfillment. Di ba, minsan nag-uusap tayo, fulfillment sa akin yun, yung pag ako yung nagbigay, ganun. Ganun, guys. Hindi kami madamot sa pera kasi, yun. Yan lang. So, ang next question ko naman sa'yo, be. So, after almost 8 years na tayo together, di ba? So, ano yung mga goods? Negative muna. Negative. Give one negative trait about me. And then, one positive. Ang tagal mag-isip.
Ikaw na first.
Ako.
That I will utilize that time to think.
Ako, for me, ang negative part kay Adi is that he procrastinate a lot. Yung Kaya, it's the same reason na I don't want to settle now in India. Kasi I have to depend on him. And sometimes, there are things I want to do. There are tasks that I want to do, pero I cannot do it without him. Pero siya yung tao na, if you ask him now to do this, it will take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month. Meron task na isa, parang 6 months na, hindi pa rin tapos. About sa business, di ba? Ang tagal na, guys. So, ako kasi naman, yung tao na, sobrang, if I want something, I will sit down the whole day just to finish it. Di ba, love? Yun. Pero ang gusto ko naman talaga sa kanya, guys, yung tipo na, sobrang, niya, tag dito? Saan tag dun, love? He understood me in a way no one else can do. Gets mo ba?
Sobrang generic na naman.
Hindi. yun, guys, minsan.
Change mo, sobrang generic. He understood me the way nobody can do. That's the same thing every girl says that.
Hindi.
When they get married.
Hindi. I mean, guys, halimbawa, may attitude ako today, mainit ulo ko. He will think that, baka kasi pagod lang siya kasi wala siyang katulong the whole day sa mga bata. Ganon. Yung ganon, guys. Minsan kasi may mga asawa na napapanood sa vlog, yung pag mainit yung ulo ng asawa, bubungangaan nila, ayaw na nila dun sa babae, maghahanap
actually,
na,
like, ganun ako dati.
maghahanap na ng, yung parang maghahanap sila ng care sa ibang babae, they will start comparing their wives sa other girls, ganun. If I will find someone else, ganun, she will be nice, ganun. Si Adi hindi, guys, yung parang pag nag-attitude ako sa kanya, he will think that, kasi minsan sasabihin niya sa akin, okay lang, I will not listen to you, it's not you who are talking. Di ba, love?
But that's when we fight.
Oo, sabihin niya, it's not you who are talking, it's your
Emotions.
anger, it's your emotion. Ganun siyang tao, guys. Kasi minsan sabi ko, ganun, di ba? Grabe talaga, guys. Yung bibig ko talaga, hindi ako galit, pero grabe ako magsalita. Imagine niyo pag galit ako, grabe ako magsalita sa kanya. Pero hindi niya iniintindi. Kaya nga siya nakakatulog, guys. Kasi wala siyang pakialam sa mga words na nilalabas ko pag galit ako. Kasi nga, tinitake niya yun as sa lang yun. It's just my anger. Ikaw, anong sasagot mo?
I want to come to that part, but I was thinking, let's talk about it. Don't
Ikaw
talk
naman.
about it. So, na negative ako sa Elena is her temper.
It says,
Yeah.
nagigets mo ba?
Oo.
Ako naman sa'yo yung mo, procrastination. Ikaw naman sa temper ko. Kasi gusto ko lahat ora-orada.
Temper. And actually, what I like about her is what she already described is when she want to do things. If I was that, dedicated ako, pero procrastinator ako. So, 2 things lang. Hindi ako and she is dedicated, pero hindi ka lang sobrang matalino.
Pero siya sobrang matalino. Pero hindi siya dedicated.
Hindi ako matalino. I'm a explorer kind of a guy. Hindi sa explorer. Sa dedicated yan. So, there's a difference. Kasi dedication, di ba? Like sa vlog. From nothing to something to almost 500k followers. Did something? Probably nothing. From TikTok, I'm the one to push her to do TikTok kasi she wasn't willing to kasi kala nila lahat ng sa youngster now every day ganun.
No, I love TikTok than
kasi
Facebook.
Dance ka pa. Tapos okay, so that part is talaga the dedication part is something. For example, when she will sit down, she will complete that thing in a one time. I sit down, I dedicate it to my employees. And then I will sit down talaga. I work so I sometimes, diba? Sometimes these days I'm working 12, 16 hours. Mm-hmm. But
actually, love, sobrang laki na ng pinagbago mo from before. Kasi dati, pagka nagtatrabaho ka, minsan makikita kita nasa labas ka na nagtathrow ka na ng stone sa likod ng bahay. Ngayon, hindi na siya ganun, guys. Medyo na siya. Nagpo-focus na siya.
So kailangan talaga kasi you are paying so much to the...
Tsaka may anak na siya, guys. Ayaw niya na maghirap sila. So, ano pa yung isa?
Sabihin ko sa'yo.
Sagot ba?
Ano ka ba? Ang babae nito. Sabi ko sa isang negative is temper and positive is, sa dedication. I'm not gonna talk about love kasi you are married, and if you don't love, why did you marry? Diba? It's a no-brainer. And
Pwede sa money.
sa money, okay lang yun. Like, she's good with money and she's the one who handles
Uy,
the money.
hindi mo pala in-explain sila kanila yung why did you, ay parang ano.
Why do you manage the money?
Hindi yung ano, do I manage the money?
Yes, you do. You even let me know how much can I spend on this and that. That's good a thing. Like, guys, hindi pwede both of you can be a spender, or hindi pwede both of you can be saver.
Oo.
If you both of you are saver, na save, and then what? Die?
Oo, kaya
Patay ka.
natatawa ako. Yun na pala, natatawa ako minsan pag mga tao sabihin, sobrang gastos na Elena Waldacera.
So, there are times when she is like, save, ako ng gastos. And there are times like, gastos. I will tell her, oh. Like, for example, right now, one of our dream is to buy the dreamland, diba? Tapos,
Ano ba?
Hindi ko nasabihin. Pero sa Elena, ang gustong-gusto, like, you know, kasi dedicated, diba? So, now na. Like, now na. Like, today, 5 minutes nakita siya. Next 5 minutes, nang-check na. Next 15 minutes, sabihin na sa kapatid niya, uy, punta ka doon.
Puntaan mo yung land.
5 minutes before you check the land, which is in probably Zambales. Sabi mo sa kapatid mo, punta ka doon. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Zambales? You live in May Kawayan? Totoo ba yan? So,
Uy, yung gastos
wait
naman,
lang,
guys,
wait lang.
investment
So,
yun.
Oo, sabi ko sa kanya, like, love, actually, I like that. Like, obviously, I have to be diplomatic there. Alam mo, it's good that. Pero I think, we have to take something. Actually, I want to say na, ano ka ba? Bakit nang sobrang rush mo? Wait lang tayo. It's our dream, di ba? Can't be fulfilled in one day. Tapos, okay na siya.
Hindi.
She understood I'm trying to be diplomatic kasi nakita ko, like, I told her when we were eating momo and ganun na mukha.
Hindi.
So, I pretended like I'm looking at my phone. I still know, I pretended like...
Ang point ko kasi, guys, it's parang sa akin, we have to snatch the deal kasi sobrang, mura siya talaga. Tapos, yung sobrang, ito yung, ako kasi ang mindset ko, guys, if we will not buy this land, yung dalawa kasing land yung tinitignan namin. Yung isa pang gawa ng dream house namin, isa pang retirement house. So ngayon, guys, namimili kami kung ano talaga bibili namin. Kasi kung gusto ni Adi, guys, kung tatayo yung dream house namin around the same community sa Bulacan. Kasi sa Bulacan, guys, sa may Kawayan, lahat andun eh. Paglabas namin, ayan na yung palengke, ayan na yung mga kainan.
Kasi may bata kami, guys.
Schools, ganyan.
It's not ideal to think of anything that is not connected with NLEX. So let's say we are far, so would be in NLEX, and Adu and Afi can study in Manila if we have that much money that time. Or worst na, if not worst come to worst, if hindi na, then they can study in any of the like normal public school or private school which has a bit good standard. Kasi every parent want, diba, their kids to study in a good school, and that's what we want too. Pero I don't want international school. Wala ako.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, guys, kung gusto mo talaga ganun, let's leave the dream house. So, mag-stay na muna kami din sa Deca Homes for ilang years hanggang lumaki sila Adu. Tapos ngayon, mag-invest kami dun sa retirement house namin, saka na yung dream house. So, andun kami sa usapin na ngayon. Kaya sinasabi ko sa kanya kahapon, tignan yung land. Kasi ang ganda kasi ng land, guys.
And ako, I told her sa Momo side, and nakita ko ng mukha, parang gusto ko na I think you were trying to tell me something in a harsh way. Hindi, parang na-change ng mukha mo. And
hindi, sabi mo nga sabi niya pa sa akin kahapon. That will be your sa akin birthday gift sa akin, sabi niya.
Like, just for kidding lang kasi wala siyang gift na only ng polo. Alam mo, babas.
Ay, malapit na nating ilabas yung polo.
Babas kayo guys ha, kasi bili ng sa polo, di na binili ng Rolex ng 1 million.
Gagi, wala. Hindi wala. Wala kaming
akong
ganung
watch, no?
Alam nyo guys, eme lang minsan yung mga sinasabi namin. Kung hindi kayo ka-humor, hindi magigets, matetek nyo talaga as yabang, pero kadalasan doon eme lang.
Actually guys, meron ako okay, I tell you why she bought me Fred Perry and why she thinks that it's good. Kasi nang bumili ako Fred Perry too. Dati, I went to Fred Perry and nakita ko, actually this is what happens. I don't know what the fuck is Fred Perry. Sorry for the bad language. Who cares? So, I went to Fred Perry, diba, sa Mall of...
SM North.
SM North, yun, Mall of Asia.
SM
MOA
North.
yan, I guess.
SM North.
Basta. So, nakita ko Fred Perry. Sabi na Elena, uy, mahal yun. Mahal yun.
Ganun ako lagi. Or
Mahingo. Na-check ko. So, ako ang tao, mahihayin ako sobra sa, if I get intimidated, and meron ako pera, bili ako 2, hindi isa. Just to tell them that, hoy, pwede ba? Tapos nagkaroon ng cry later. That time na show mo, like, okay, you can do it. Nabili ako t-shirt, 13,000 pesos. Like, puta, meron ako dito actually.
Tapos hanggang pag-uwi, inaaway kita, di ba?
And I like that.
Inaaway ko siya hanggang
And I
pag-uwi.
like the t-shirt. So, I think that's her mindset. That's why she bought me kasi ang gusto ko Fred Perry. Pero, the thing is...
Oh, hindi. Tsaka nung nakita ko yung polo talaga, hindi ko intention bumili ng Fred Perry Love. Nakita ko yung polo. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda. Yung, di ba favorite color mo kasi blue? Tapos, di ba nagpo-polo-polo ka ngayon? So,
di ko na, like, that was the intention that I had was real talaga. I didn't like she spent 21,000. But that's okay lang kasi she wanted to give it to me and it's okay.
Ayaw niya kasi ginastos ko yung sarili kong pera. Gets nyo?
I don't spend a lot of money on me. I just spend like bought small lang. Ito. Puma.
Gusto mo share yung story niyan? Love, share yung story niyan?
Di pwede.
So that's it for today's video, guys.
Hey, that's it.
Tapos
I just get excited eh.
Tapos na. Tama na. So, if you like this type of video, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo pag-usapan namin. Gusto nyo pag-usapan namin yung mga kalokohan namin before. Comment down below.
Tapos pwede pa usapan natin sa position. I mean, CEO position.
Thank
Founder
you so
position.
much, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.